The head of the forensic department at Indicom testified in the Westmoreland Circuit Court on Wednesday that he collected several stains resembling blood in and around the cell that Mario Deane was brutally beaten 10 years ago. Nakinsky Robinson reports.
Day 11 of Mario Deane's trial took a different turn on Monday as Peter Parkinson, head of the forensic department at the Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom, opened a sealed envelope containing the blue denim Mario Deane was wearing when he was beaten. Suspense filled the room as he put on his blue gloves and slowly opened the brown paper bag that was securely sealed. He then removed the blue denim jeans with zippered pockets lined with red and showed the court. The accused, Corporal Elaine Stewart and Constables Marlon Grant and Juliana Cleven, looked on from the dock. They appeared relatively calm. Mr. Parkinson told the court that Mario Deane's mom, Mercia Fraser, handed over jeans over to Indicom, which he then examined. Mr. Parkinson further stated that the jeans had stains resembling blood on the front and back and that the crotch was damaged. He said he photographed the jeans using the Indicom-issued camera, labeled and packaged it, and named it Exhibit PP9. Shortly after the exhibition, High Court Judge Justice Courtney Day questioned the nexus of exhibit. He later concluded that it be marked A for identity, as he will need to have some evidential basis as he awaits a link. Mr. Parkinson further testified that on August 3, 2014, at about 1:10 p.m., he conducted a digital examination of the Barnett Street Police Station to include the ground floor and corridor of the room or cell marked number 4. He said he observed several stains resembling blood on the western and eastern sides of the corridor near cell number 4 and also on the inner and outer aspects of the entry metal gate of said cell. Mr. Parkinson stressed that stains resembling blood were also detected on the metal and concrete door jambs to include the western interior wall and the upper concrete bunk beds. He also saw blood stains on the outer metal post between bunk beds. He revealed that he took photographs and videos of the areas and later collected samples of the satins resembling blood. All the evidence captured were later stored at the Indicom Western Division and later transferred to the government lab. The matter was later adjourned as the Crown works on getting evidence on a DVD to the defense. The DVD is said to contain photographs from Deane at the Cornwall Regional Hospital and also of his post-mortem. The trial will resume on April 3 when Mr. Parkinson will continue his evidence in chief. Allegations are that Deane was arrested for the possession of a ganja spliff and placed in custody at the Barnett Street lockup in St. James, where he was reportedly beaten on August 3, 2014. He died 3 days later at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Nakinsky Robinson, TVJ News.
With the government